Question: what do the members of the Houston Bass Fishing Club have in common with the Apollo astronauts? Patches. Ever wonder where they come from? A lot of them come from Weaverville, North Carolina, where a fourth-generation family business produces over $25 million a year. It might not seem like it, but patches and emblems are first cousins to panty lace. That's what Henry Conrad came to this country to make. Lace embroidery led to patch embroidery, and there you are. It takes a lot of people to produce a patch. First, the patterns are laid out by artists who plot out every stitch. Next, every one of those stitches is punched into a long paper tape. Remember the old player piano rolls? Each hole will tell the embroidery machine what to sew and how. The people who run them can thread the needles and change the bobbins without stopping the machine. Bernhard Conrad has followed in his father's footsteps. With all those patches and emblems, I wonder if he has a favorite.
We've made approximately 50,000 different patterns over the years. And it used to be about 10, 15 years ago, I could remember a lot of the patches that we've made. But now I cannot remember anymore which ones we've made and haven't made, so I'm constantly seeing emblems that we've created here in this factory that I've never seen before, and some of them are very beautiful.
In a way, each one of these people has been into space, because the patches and emblems that the Apollo astronauts wore to the moon were made right here. One thing did make me curious, so I asked Henry Conrad personally. Since they make 1 out of every 10 patches in the country, why weren't any of his employees wearing one that said A-B Emblem Company?
Yeah, next year, everybody here will be in uniform. We'll have an emblem on the front, on the back, on this side, and on this side.
So everybody's going to know who they are.
Everybody is going to wear an emblem.
The whole world seems to be patch and emblem conscious. No matter what you're doing, there's one you can wear. Whether it's saving lives in Georgia, bass fishing in Texas, or walking on the moon. In Weaverville, North Carolina, this is Andy Johnston.